In this video, we are going to check out how to use and access the iCivics games. iCivics is a platform founded by Justice Sandra Day O'Connor as a way to engage students in civics education in a fun way. One of the cool things about the iCivics games is as students play, they can earn points, and then they can use those points to make an impact. You can click on Make an Impact to see some of the projects that points can go towards, like Books for Bedtime and the Blue Lollipop Project for cancer research. And as you scroll down, there's some cool STEM education projects and more. So back to the main page, and we continue scrolling down, and you can see all of the different civics-minded games that students can check out and play. Each game will show you about the amount of time that it takes to complete that game and a little blurb about what the game entails. So you can scroll through and check out the different civics education games that students can play and then earn those points towards an impact goal. So you can sign in with Google when you create an account in iCivics so that you can save your progress and continue to learn about civics education through the iCivics program. So check this out with your students today.